I don't know who the heck did this. It's gotta go. Got to go. Somebody's crappy idea of a repair. Call it what you want. I find it hard to call it a repair. That's what they put in there so they could lay this one piece sideways that they had, which was backwards. You don't do that. I think the reason for this outside wall is that hot water heater right there. That's pretty much what I think. Oh, now we're going to get rid of everything under that wall. And the best way to do that would be with a sawzall. And maybe something to sit on.
Something to put there behind.
There it is. No, I know. That was what was going through my mind. I wasn't going to say it. Camera was recording.
You see what it says?
That's it. Yep. I don't know what that says. I think you got the shirt on backwards. You're wearing it backwards. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're nice shirts.
That was a surprise, dude.
That was.
Man gave you shorts. That's why you done. He's trying to get your business.
I ain't got no problems, Paul. I'm just working on a solution, and I'm going to get to it in a minute. I'm fine.
You don't like that, but that head shot something?
Sure. This is the way you might get somebody to come to your house and do a repair.
Yeah, friend of a friend of a friend.
Yeah. Friend of a friend of a friend. 19 30 seconds. 21 30 seconds. This might even be 5/8.
Yeah.
That's 5/8 maybe.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, 5/8.
You don't see where it's wrote, but it could be 5/8 to 19. They cut a piece out. Show them where they didn't put any framing in when you.
Oh.
No framing,
This
nothing.
is the screw.
Screw right there under his foot. In
Screw
between.
right here?
Screw there.
Nothing here. Nothing.
Oh my God.
That's how bad it is. And no insulation board. No nothing.
Wow.
Ain't nothing down
Filled a bunch of insulation in there.
there. Didn't do that, dude.
Man. Wow.
I see the ground.
Yeah, I see the light. Oh, I see it. That's terrible. That's the kind of repair people do. It's not the kind of repair I would have done.
No, you gotta have a block, dude.
Gotta have blocking. I always gotta have blocking it seems. I don't care what size plywood you use, you always block.
You don't, you're gonna have that.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Especially this old stuff. This falls apart.
Yeah, that stuff's the worst stuff ever. This new OSB is way better, even the regular standard OSB. But this stuff here is this here is the bomb.
1979.
1979. Yeah, this stuff here is the bomb. They even show rain water on it. If you put water on it, it just bubbles up, beads up, like it's on wax. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Yeah, like that. It's good stuff, man. This doesn't penetrate. You have to sit there until the Coca-Cola evaporated.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't know why he did that. Of course, now he's going to have to clean it up. Yeah, I got a little feeling what's going on over here. Oh boy, here we go. Oh my goodness, Bentley. Whew, Lord. That is unbelievable, Paul. That is. Oh, my word. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you shredding it?
Yeah, it's better. Cut it one way and cut it the other way. Oh, my goodness gracious.
Where did you get the piece back from?
What, well?
Where did you get the piece back from?
I didn't see it. I don't know where that came from. No idea. I was throwing it right out there.
I know you would.
Right out where it needs to be. She got real wet over here, Bob. She got real wet over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the window?
No, that's all.
Oh yeah, I know, it's a mess, man.
Well, the water's coming down there.
Wow.
We're gonna fix that.
Huh?
And you said we're gonna fix that.
Yeah, we're gonna fix it. We are gonna fix it. Gotta get this thing quit leaking though, I tell you that. Rack over here. Unbelievable. Huh?
No way. It keeps right on going.
So yeah. Bottom plate too.
Oh yeah, everything.
That's bad.
Hey, that wall comes up. You get a bottom plate on.
Oh my God. That's the worst one yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty bad. Oh my goodness. It gets worse in the closet back there. That's the bottom plate. Not only the flooring, but the bottom plate is completely gone. Look at that. The bottom plate of that wall. Completely gone. Oh my God. Again. Paul keeps saying it goes further than that. I believe him.
It does.
I seen the leak that was coming down yesterday, Paul. I know why. It was from right there, that leak in the middle of the house.
Yeah.
The heater vent up top was leaking. Water was pouring down the wall yesterday when it was raining. And then it just came across the floor, and this is a low spot in the house, and just flowed this way.
I came across the ceiling.
Yeah, down the ceiling, because there's plastic on top. It came down the ceiling. Apparently there's a hole in there, plastic, right there, and then it just run down this wall. That's why this is like this, all up that wall, because water's been running down the inside of it.
The whole wall's loose.
Yeah. Not even nailed to the top, is it, Paul?
No.
Not much of a wall, Paul.
No, it's not. I wish I could take it out.
I wish you could too.
Oh yeah.
I would.
I didn't know. I didn't know no better.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me not to.
I mean, it would make sense to get rid of it, that's for sure. But it's not my house.
Yeah, you give me another two more foot in the window.
I know.
Or the kitchen.
I know it. I have a lot more room.
Yeah.
Close that off for the hot water heater.
You have a hot water heater door right there.
I mean, the laundry room is on the other side, so.
Yeah.
Oh well, anyway, this is our object at hand. Big time. I'm gonna keep right on coming across, Paul.
Yep.
Get that bottom plate taken out all the way across here again. Get my little cutting tools ready. Here we go.
No.
Damn it. The band isn't rotten though. How come the band ain't rotten?
Okay. Ain't that crazy?
Gotta be treated out there or something.
Yeah. That's all I figured.
Because the band is not rotten. Don't get it.
All I figured they replaced the band already.
Either that or they just built it with a treated band, Paul.
Yeah.
They built this thing with a treated band.
Well, you don't see that too many times either.
I mean, for it not to rot like the rest of it did.
Right.
I mean, we had some rotten band, but, you know, treated wood will rot too.
Yeah.
Over enough time leaking.
Yeah, but that band was good from here to there.
It does. The band looks good. Although, I did find a spot in the closet. It looks susceptible to having to be changed. We'll look at it, but I don't know.
Yeah.
This is a lot of work. I ain't gonna lie. It's a lot of work. But, I mean, if you just keep plugging at it one day at a time, eventually it's going to be done.
It'll be done, mate.
We didn't get much done today except for taking out walls.
Yeah.
Propping up stuff, taking up walls. We had to take up that other sheet of plywood that we had down.
No, we've had it tacked though.
Just kind of tacked so that we could go ahead and get that wall replaced all the way down through here.
Has to be done.
Has to be done. I feel so much better about that. I feel good about it.
Oh yeah.
I feel good about that.
We used to trade them on fall.
No, yeah, I feel so much better about it. If you see something, don't leave it. Like all this crap in the closet, somebody will be like, hey, it's in the closet, I'm never gonna see that. Yeah. Heck no, man, clean all that crap out of there. We're gonna go underneath that whole wall with a piece of plywood.
Yep.
Yes, we are. Huh?
2 4. We'll take 1 4 out, dude. That one 4 out.
That's all out. I'm all the way up to the bottom plate.
Yeah.
That's beautiful right there. I'm straight up to the bottom plate.
Yeah.
You just got to remember, when you put the first one in up tight,
Yeah.
next one's going to have to be for your floor.
Yeah.
You know, the back one can go all the way up to the bottom plate.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
That way it'll be attached to the bottom plate. We're gonna cut the paneling out around there anyway so we can see it.
Yeah, of course.
So,
Yeah,
all the paneling, we're just gonna cut it back.
we already saw your panel, so I'm gonna finish it up.
I mean, yeah, I mean, if we're gonna do it, get rid of all this paneling down across the bottom. I'd love to take it out the whole house, but it's not time for that right now. So just cutting this bottom so we can see what's going on. And this is atrocious. Oh my God. But it can be fixed, people. I mean, don't, as long as you don't let it get, you know, any further than this. This is about the furthest I would let my floor go before I did something to it, let me tell you. About the furthest I'd let it go.
And when you put staff into it,
Yeah, they got real lucky. That band got to be treated
yeah, no doubt.
for everything else to go that bad and that band be still in that good a shape.
Before and suck the water up.
Yep. So thank you, Lord, for that. We were blessed with a treated band. It kind of looks like a treated. Doesn't look like white wood.
No, it's not white wood.
It's not the same as this board here.
No.
Color wise.
No.
It's just an old treated board. Back in the day. All right, so yeah, we had lots of leaks. Let me show you something about a mobile home you don't know. So watch this. This is something about a mobile home nobody knows, unless they've lived in one or worked on them. See that plastic? That plastic goes up, over, and down into the wall right there. So if you get a leak here, the only time you're gonna see that you have a leak here is when you got little rusty things. The whole roof is leaking. Look at that. That little thing's got rust on it. When you see rust happening like that, or sometimes when you see it coming down your wall, you're thinking, oh my God, my window's leaking.
No, it's the roof.
And then you say, because you don't know that it's actually the roof leaking, because it has plastic up there, keeps it from coming through here. And that's why this roof looks in such good shape right now, is because the plastic runs from here to the other side of the house, just like that, all the way across. And the only screws that go, holes that go in, is that right there. And you see the result of that.
Rust.
See the rust and the water little driplets. Yeah. That's the result. And they're just about every one. So even the closer you get to the real water damage area. That was not bad. That's an aluminum screw. It's aluminum. Somebody replaced that.
What?
But
yeah, you see that being replaced.
they get bad. Yeah, that's been replaced. They get bad. And the reason why it goes down the wall and you think your window is leaking is because of that plastic right there. So just remember that. When your window leaks or the wall leaks and you're trying to figure out where it's coming from, it very well could be coming from the roof.